Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game camera type. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game and you may start your desired match type to begin playing right away. Now, if you wish to change the camera type, then simply pause the game by pressing the start button. And now go into settings by pressing the appropriate button for the settings. Now you can find the camera option. Go ahead and click on it. And this will show you the different positions or perspective that you can choose from. Once you have chosen your desired option, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play your game with your chosen camera type. And if at any point you wish to switch this in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into settings, and from the camera option, choose your desired setting. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the camera type on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.